Today, we're diving deep to explore the strange things sharks have been known to swallow whole. While they're definitely formidable predators, it's important to remember they don't discriminate based on appearance. Even something that might look familiar, like a tattooed arm, could be mistaken for prey. This episode explores the fascinating and sometimes bizarre feeding habits of these incredible creatures. Number 10. A teacher. Shark encounters at sea can be scary because, unlike some predators, they may not be reacting to provocation. Data from the International Shark Attack File shows over 2,800 unprovoked attacks worldwide since the 1500s. Western Australia has a higher number of incidents due to its diverse marine life. While shark attacks on humans are statistically rare, they can be devastating. A tragic case occurred in February 2014 off the coast of South Australia. Sam Kellett, a 28-year-old teacher and ocean enthusiast, was spearfishing near Adelaide when he was attacked by a shark. Sadly, his body was never recovered. Despite the loss, tributes poured in from his family, students, and colleagues at his school. This incident highlights the importance of water safety and awareness while respecting the power of these amazing creatures. Number 9. Pet dogs. If you reside in Australia or are visiting areas with known shark populations, it's advisable to keep a close eye on your pets, especially dogs. These animals, driven by their curiosity, may sometimes venture too far. There have been numerous instances of shark attacks on dogs, as recounted by Victor Cooperson in his 1958 book on shark attacks. One incident involved the discovery of a bulldog's head with a rope around its neck inside the stomach of a tiger shark in Sydney Harbor. Another case involved the remains of a spaniel still wearing its collar found in the gut of a tiger shark in Bonny Beach. Regrettably, sharks are drawn to dogs due to their erratic swimming movements. It could be argued that dog owners who allow their pets to venture too close to the water bear responsibility for their pet's demise. Many of the dogs found by Cooperson still had their leashes and collars intact, indicating they were caught off guard. Such tragedies could have been prevented if owners had been vigilant and kept a watchful eye on their pets while at the beach. Number 8. A tattooed arm. The shark arm case of 1935 remains one of the most bizarre mysteries in Australian history. In April, a captured tiger shark off the coast regurgitated a human left forearm with a distinctive tattoo. This discovery at the aquarium sparked a murder investigation. Fingerprint analysis identified the arm as belonging to James Smith, a missing small-time criminal. Investigation revealed the arm was severed with a sharp object, not by the shark. The case shifted from a shark attack to a homicide investigation. Patrick Brady, a convicted forger, became a suspect. Prosecutors believed Brady was responsible for Smith's murder and the disposal of his body. However, defense argued insufficient evidence, as the arm was the only recovered body part. The case gained national attention and was dubbed the Shark Arm Case. Despite numerous investigations and publications, the full story behind the tattooed arm remains unsolved. Number 7. Cows. A 2016 video captured a 5-meter tiger shark eating a floating cow in the middle of the Indian Ocean. The footage was filmed by eyewitnesses sailing near the French island of Mayotte. As they got closer, they noticed a commotion in the water and saw a shark feeding on a 200-kilogram horned zebu cow. The video suggests the cow was already dead, and the shark was contributing to cleaning the ocean by consuming carrion. The clip, filmed with a high-quality camera, shows the event in clear detail. It's believed the cow fell from a makeshift boat into the sea and couldn't be rescued because it had drifted far away. The story was uploaded on YouTube and picked up by news channels worldwide. Number 6. Crocodiles. Crocodiles, typically apex predators in their domain, occasionally fall victim to the might of tiger sharks. These formidable creatures have a voracious appetite and are unafraid to confront even massive adversaries like crocodiles. Witnessing a shark engaging in a confrontation with a saltwater crocodile to secure its meal for the day is not uncommon. In 2013, a saltwater crocodile was discovered washed up in St. Lucia's South Beach, having succumbed to a shark attack under peculiar circumstances. Onlookers captured images of the animal and shared them online, offering various explanations for its demise, though the prevailing suspicion pointed towards a shark attack. This sizable reptile displayed a severed head and teeth marks indicative of a clash with a formidable predator, possibly not a great white shark. In encounters between top predators, especially in shallow waters, large saltwater crocodiles are often favored to emerge victorious over sharks. In August 2014, witnesses in the Northern Territory observed Brutus, a renowned colossal crocodile, swiftly dispatching a bull shark. After a brief but intense struggle, Brutus overpowered its adversary, disappearing beneath the water's surface to consume its meal. Later sightings revealed Brutus sneaking into the mangroves, the shark still firmly clamped in its jaws, indicating the crocodile's insatiable appetite was far from satisfied. Number 5. Birds. When discussing potential prey of sharks, mentioning birds might seem insignificant, as it could underestimate the shark's capabilities. If they can successfully hunt down a crocodile, it's not far-fetched to imagine them targeting birds, particularly the tiger shark, known for its penchant for seafaring avians. However, this doesn't mean that land-based birds and songbirds are exempt from their predation. Species such as mourning doves, yellow-billed cuckoos, Bahama, and wood thrushes have also been found in shark stomachs. Marcus Dryman, a researcher intrigued by sharks' appetites for terrestrial birds, stumbled upon this phenomenon while tagging a tiger shark during a routine sampling exercise. He observed the shark regurgitating feathers, distinctly from a land bird rather than a seabird. This observation spurred further investigation. Over the subsequent 2 years, a team of researchers dissected the stomachs of 50 tiger sharks, discovering bird remains in approximately half of them, with the majority being land birds. How did these birds end up in the shark's menu? One theory implicates offshore oil rigs in the Gulf of Mexico. Each year, hundreds of migrating birds perish in collisions with these structures, potentially becoming prey for sharks. Number 4. Polar bear remains. A surprising discovery in 2008 shed light on the potential diet of Greenland sharks. While investigating harbor seal deaths, scientists found the remains of a young polar bear in the stomach of a Greenland shark in the Svalbard archipelago. This finding raised questions about the predatory behavior of these slow-moving sharks. However, the cause of death for the polar bear remains unclear. Some scientists believe the Greenland shark actively hunted and killed the bear, while others suggest the bear may have been already dead when consumed. Climate change is a significant factor impacting polar bears. Melting sea ice reduces their hunting grounds and forces them to spend more time in the water. This increased vulnerability could contribute to encounters with predators like sharks. The depth at which the shark was found, 2,200 meters, is also noteworthy. Polar bears are primarily shallow water hunters, so the encounter may have occurred closer to the surface. Additionally, the remains could indicate scavenging by other marine predators before the shark ingested them. Number 3. Horsehead. It's difficult to rationalize the discovery of a horsehead in a shark's stomach. When recounting this story to someone impartial, they might inquire how the horse ended up in the ocean. Did it mistakenly wander into the shark's territory, expecting to escape unscathed? The entire head of the animal was found inside the belly of an 11-foot-long tiger shark in Australia. It's believed that the horse was seeking relief from the heat at the beach when the shark attacked and decapitated it. Another incident captured the moment when a shark eagerly devoured the sinking carcass of a horse. This event occurred in the aftermath of Hurricane Dorian's devastating impact on North Carolina. While the wild horses along the shores of North Carolina have endured numerous storms, both mild and deadly, one unfortunate victim became entangled amidst the debris. However, upon closer examination, something seemed amiss as scientists scrutinized a 12-foot tiger shark making its way towards its next meal. It appeared determined to claim the horse carcass, and anyone daring to intervene would need to offer a suitable replacement. Number 2. Dolphin. The relationship between dolphins and sharks is complex. While some large shark species like bull and tiger sharks do prey on smaller dolphins, this isn't always a one-sided fight. Dolphin pods exhibit social behavior to protect themselves and their injured companions from predators. They may surround a vulnerable member and even attack a shark with coordinated aggression. Research suggests interactions vary depending on the species. Great white sharks seem to target bottlenose dolphins more frequently. Some studies in areas like Moreton Bay show dolphins with scars, potentially from shark encounters. However, dolphins aren't defenseless prey. Their intelligent and social behavior allow them to strategize and exploit a shark's weakness during encounters. Number 1. Sharks. Some shark species exhibit cannibalistic behavior, preying on smaller sharks of their own kind. This behavior is documented in the wild and has even been observed in captivity. A dramatic incident occurred in January 2016 at the Coex Aquarium in South Korea. Footage captured a 2.2-meter tiger shark attacking and consuming a smaller bandhound shark. Experts offer various explanations for such behavior. One theory suggests the larger shark might have reacted defensively to an accidental bump within its confined space. Territorial behavior can also be a factor for sharks. This incident highlights the challenges of housing different shark species in aquariums. Careful planning and management are crucial to ensure the safety and well-being of all animals. If you like this video, click the next one shown on the screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching.